Today's episode is called GDP Explained with Bananas. Now, GDP might sound like one of those boring textbook words humans invented so they can feel smart at parties. But trust me, when you explain it using bananas, monkeys, and a jungle economy, it starts making a lot more sense. So here's the plan. Imagine a jungle where monkeys build huts, pick bananas, trade coconuts, sing for berries, and sometimes do absolutely nothing productive except scroll banana talk. In this jungle, we want to measure how much actual economic activity is happening. That's where GDP comes in. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product, basically the total value of everything produced inside a country during a certain period. But definitions are boring. Let's step into the jungle and watch how monkeys use banana-based economics to understand GDP. By the end of this video, you'll understand GDP so clearly that you could explain it to a confused gorilla or even a human. So grab your banana, sit back, and let's begin the great banana breakdown of GDP. Let's jump into the jungle. Meet Mojo the monkey. Mojo wakes up every morning and has one job: pick bananas. He's the best banana picker in the entire jungle. He picks them fast, he picks them clean, he picks them without squishing them, not even a bruise. Mojo is basically the Michael Jordan of banana harvesting. Today, Mojo picks 10 bananas. Then we have Lola, the jungle's top coconut crafter. She turns coconuts into cute coconut bowls that every monkey influencer wants. Today she makes 5 bowls. Then there's Toto, who sings jungle songs. Not productive, you may think, but the other monkeys actually pay him in berries to hear his music. And finally, there's Bongo. Bongo does nothing. He sits under a tree all day and watches TikTok reels on a cracked banana phone. Every jungle has a bongo. Now the big question, how productive was the jungle today? How do we measure all the banana picking, coconut crafting, bowl making, and berry singing? We need a number to represent all the activity in the jungle. The economists in the jungle, mostly a group of nerdy owls, decide to create a measure called Gross Domestic Product, or GDP. GDP sums up the value of all goods and services produced within the jungle during a specific time period. But here's the catch. We can't just say Mojo picked 10 bananas. We have to convert everything, bananas, coconuts, bowls, berries, singing, into the same measurement. That measurement? Banana value. If one banana is worth 1 unit of value, then we can say Mojo produced 10 units. Lola produced 5 bowls, each worth 2 bananas, 10 units. Toto earned 4 berries, each berry worth 1 banana, 4 units. Added up, 24 banana units of production. This jungle's GDP equals 24 bananas. Bongo contributed exactly 0, but we still love him. Economists are funny creatures, mostly because they insist on measuring the same thing in 3 different ways. In the jungle, the owls explain that GDP can be calculated in 3 methods. 1. Production approach. This method simply adds up the value of all goods and services produced. We count. Bananas produced coconut bowls made berry paid singing any monkey services like vine swinging lessons. But remember, no double counting. If one monkey picks bananas and another monkey sells banana smoothies, we must be careful not to count the bananas twice. 2. Income approach. This measures the total income earned by all monkeys. Wages, banana pickers; profits, coconut bowl makers; rent, tree landlords; interest, berry lenders. Basically, GDP equals the total income that monkeys earn for doing productive things. 3. Expenditure approach. This counts how much the monkeys spend on goods and services. This is the famous formula: GDP equals C plus I plus G plus N x C, consumption. Monkeys buying bananas, berries, coconut bowls, I, investment. New huts, new banana storage caves. G, government spending. Jungle Council buying vines for bridges, NX, net exports. Bananas sold to other jungles minus bananas imported. Let's put it in monkey terms. Mojo buys a coconut bowl. C, Lola builds a new workshop. I, Jungle Council, builds a mud road. G, monkeys export 20 bananas and import 5. N and X equals 15. Add all that up and you get GDP. Why 3 methods? Imagine you want to know how high a banana tree is. You can climb it and measure production. Drop a banana and calculate speed, income. Ask a giraffe to compare it, expenditure. No matter what method you choose, the height should be the same. If it's not, something is suspicious. In the jungle, if the production approach says the GDP is 24 bananas, but the income approach says the monkeys earned 40 bananas, something is wrong. Maybe some monkey is reporting fake numbers. Maybe someone is hiding bananas under a tree. Maybe Bongo finally did something. Unlikely. The owls fix the numbers until all 3 methods match. That's how they ensure consistency. GDP can be sneaky. Some days the jungle becomes extra productive. Other days, bananas just become more expensive.